Welcome to morning.discipline, where we unlock the power of routines and habits for success. Today, we're talking about the 7 disciplines that can make you a millionaire in 2025. These are the habits that set apart the successful from the rest. If you apply these consistently, you'll be on the fast track to financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Discipline of vision. First, you need a clear vision. What does being a millionaire in 2025 look like to you? It's not just about having money but knowing why you want it. People with a strong vision align their actions with their goals daily. You need to constantly revisit your why and let it drive you. Write it down, make it clear, and visualize it every single day. 2. Discipline of action. Vision without action is just daydreaming. The second discipline is taking consistent action. Every millionaire has mastered the ability to turn ideas into steps. Break down your big goals into smaller tasks and attack them daily. This could mean starting a business, investing, or finding multiple streams of income. Whatever it is, show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. 3. Discipline of learning. In 2025, if you're not learning, you're falling behind. Millionaires invest in themselves through knowledge. Read books, take courses, and surround yourself with people who are smarter than you. The discipline of learning keeps you ahead of the curve. Industries evolve, and so should you. Remember, your income will grow in direct proportion to your personal development. 4. Discipline of time management. Time is your greatest asset. We all get the same 24 hours, but how you use it determines your success. Create routines that maximize productivity. Prioritize high-impact tasks that move the needle toward your goals. Use tools like time blocking, or the Pomodoro technique, to stay focused. The difference between being busy and being productive is one of the most critical distinctions a millionaire understands. 5. Discipline of financial control. This one's huge. To become a millionaire, you must have control over your finances. That means budgeting, investing wisely, and cutting unnecessary expenses. The discipline of financial control involves knowing where every dollar is going and ensuring each one is working for you. Build a habit of saving and reinvesting into opportunities that grow your wealth over time. 6. Discipline of patience. We live in a world of instant gratification, but building wealth takes time. The discipline of patience is what keeps you on track when results don't come overnight. Millionaires understand the power of compounding, whether it's in investments or skill building. Trust the process, and stay committed to your goals. It may take longer than you expect, but the results are worth it. 7. Discipline of health. Wealth means nothing without health. The final discipline is taking care of your body and mind. Regular exercise, a proper diet, and enough sleep are non-negotiable. When your body is functioning at its best, so is your brain. The most successful people treat their health like their biggest investment, and it pays off in sustained energy, focus, and productivity. These 7 disciplines are your blueprint for becoming a millionaire in 2025. Vision, action, learning, time management, financial control, patience, and health, master them, and the wealth will follow. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll be on the path to financial freedom. So, which of these disciplines are you going to start working on today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to build a disciplined, successful life. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and let's make 2025 the year we all achieve greatness.